Do you find the concepts of accounting and bookkeeping for your business daunting? Are you looking to master the basics to keep your finances in order and make informed business decisions? Would you want to understand the fundamentals of managing your business finances effectively? So, if managing your business's finances feels overwhelming, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Mami in your Mami Negosyo, and in this video, I'm going to guide you through the basics of accounting and bookkeeping for your small business. It's about gaining control and clarity over your financial situation, which is crucial for the success of your business. So here are the 5 tips to guide you in your bookkeeping. 1. Understand basic accounting concepts. 2. Set up a bookkeeping system. 3. Manage your accounts receivable and payable. 4. Reconcile bank statements regularly. And 5. Review financial records periodically. Now, let's take a closer look at each one to understand them fully. Tip number 1, understand basic accounting concepts. Knowing the basics is important for managing your money well. So learn the keywords like debit, credit, assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. You have to understand the difference between cash and accrual accounting methods as well. Let's use Nika as our example for this. Nika owns a fashion accessories business and she ran into trouble when she did not understand her business's money. She was mixing up her profits with her expenses and could not tell how well her business was doing. And after taking some time to learn basic accounting terms and concepts, she was able to track her sales and expenses correctly. Now, Nika feels more confident and in control of her business's finances. Moving next to tip number 2, set up a bookkeeping system. Now, don't be scared of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is just like keeping score for your money. What you need to do is to keep it accurate and consistent, for it will help you manage your money well. Decide if you want to do bookkeeping by hand, use software, or hire a professional to do it. Record all your money transactions and put them in the right categories. Here's another mentee, Zenny. Zenny owns an RTW store for women. Before, she had a hard time keeping track of her expenses and her income. She often felt overwhelmed and could not get a clear picture of her business's finances. Then she discovered that all she needed to do was to set up a bookkeeping system. And because she could not afford yet to pay for a bookkeeper, Nika decided to use a bookkeeping app to help her keep track of everything. And this saved her a lot of time, gave her real-time financial insights. Now she can see how much money she is making and spending, which is helping her make better business decisions. Let's now proceed to tip number 3, which is to manage your accounts receivable and payable. Keeping track of what you owe and what others owe you is very important for maintaining cash flow. Create a system to track invoices you've sent out and bills you need to pay. Follow up on late payments and make sure your bills are paid on time. Let's take a look at how this helped Merly with her chocolate business. Merly is a private nurse and she started her business when she needed to temporarily stop working to take care of her sick father. Anyway, apart from selling her products to sari-sari stores, she also has resellers. However, she often forgot to follow up on late payments and sometimes she missed paying her bills on time. So Merly decided to set up a strict schedule for following up on invoices and paying bills. This new system helped her keep better track of her money and reduced her financial stress. Got that? Great! Now let's move to tip number 4. Reconcile bank statements regularly. I know we're getting deeper into this whole financial thing. Well, we have to be clear on how our business is doing, right? So regularly reconcile your bank statements to ensure that your bookkeeping records align with your bank statements. Compare your bookkeeping records with bank statements every month. Carefully look into them and fix any mistakes right away. Let's continue using Merly's example for this. Because she was busy juggling work and business, she did not always check her bank statements regularly. But when she started doing it every month, she found that some transactions were missing from her records. So fixing them helped her keep her records accurate and avoid bigger problems later. And here's now tip number 5. Review financial reports periodically. It's about reviewing financial reports so you can see how your business is doing financially. You need to look at the important reports like the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. These reports can help you make smart decisions about your business. For example, Lara, who buys and sells home appliances, used to struggle with understanding her business's money. She did not look at her money reports often, so she did not know if her business was making enough money or not. But once she started looking at these reports every month, she found that she was spending too much money on things she did not need. This made her change how she spends her money. And now, it is easier for her business to make more money. So, to sum everything up, mastering basic accounting and bookkeeping is a powerful skill for any business owner. When you take control of your business finances, you can steer your business toward success faster and easier. And the health of your business depends greatly on how well you manage your finances. So if you're ready to learn more and to take your business to the next level, remember to subscribe to my newsletter and my free starter kit at mommynegosyo.com for more insights and tips. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo saying, be business-minded, Pinoy!